Hi, I'm Jen Going of Jen Going Interiors. I launched my own firm in 2010, and then in 2015, Traditional Home named me a new trad. There are so many great interior designers, but when I think about bold color and the use of color, I think of Miles Redd. In his big book of chic, all of his spaces have a quirky sense of glamour. His use of color is always spot on and unexpected, and I love it. The easiest way to change the mood of any room is with paint. As a designer, color accuracy is really important to me, and Benjamin Moore's Gen X color technology ensures that the colors that I pick are going to remain the same for years to come. I love working with dark, saturated colors. When I painted my living room, I wanted to use my favorite color, Dragon's Breath. It stays true to color and has beautiful coverage. Whites can be tricky. They can get too creamy, they can get pinky, they can look a little blue. I love to bathe a whole house in white. My go-to whites are Swiss Coffee and White Dove. Swiss Coffee has the tiniest bit of cream. It's a great color for trim. It's a great wall color. I've used it as a ceiling color. Durability is really important to me. But as an interior designer, I never want to sacrifice color. With Benjamin Moore, the color stays true and as vibrant as the day I painted.